You don't need big money to start big ideas. Just the right concept and knowing what people need. Want businesses you can launch on a tiny budget? Let's dive into the smartest, budget-friendly ideas. Regular plastic cards are pretty plain, right? Instead, you can turn them into eye-catching metal cards. The process is simple. Remove the plastic with acid, take out the chip, and place it into a new metal card. After that, you can customize it with engravings like someone's initials, a business logo, a unique design, or even gold accents. A custom metal card feels premium and exclusive, and people are more than happy to pay for that kind of status upgrade. Upcycling is all about giving old clothes a fresh new life. You can take worn-out jeans, shirts, or jackets and turn them into stylish, one-of-a-kind pieces by redesigning them, combining different fabrics, adding embroidery, or printing cool designs. This trend is especially popular with younger audiences, and even big fashion brands are jumping on the upcycling wave. The best part? You don't need much to get started, just a basic sewing machine and some creative ideas. From there, you can showcase and sell your creations on Instagram, Etsy, or other online marketplaces. Fashion plus sustainability equals a win-win. If you're good at making jewelry, lava stone is an amazing material to work with. It's lightweight, strong, and has a natural porous texture that makes every piece look unique. An extra bonus? Lava stone can absorb essential oils, so your jewelry can double as a stylish aromatherapy accessory. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to create something special and different. Magnetic stickers are just as simple to make as regular pins, but way more versatile. You can place them on fridges, office boards, even car surfaces, and switch them out anytime you feel like it. With the right machine, you can produce them fast and with high-quality results. A small idea with big potential. Regular keyboard keys can feel pretty plain, but custom keycaps can totally change the look and vibe of a setup. You can make them bright and colorful, transparent for cool backlighting effects, theme designs, or even tiny figurine-style caps. They're usually made from epoxy resin, PBT plastic, or even metal, giving you tons of creative options to work with. A small detail that makes a big difference. Producing your own honey isn't just tasty, it can actually turn into a profitable business. You can begin with just a few beehives and slowly grow it into a full beekeeping setup. You can also get creative by infusing the honey with nuts, berries, or lemon and packaging it in attractive jars to sell on marketplaces. Sweet, natural, and a great moneymaker. A mobile brick maker is a handy portable machine that lets you produce concrete blocks directly on site. There's no need to pay for delivery, just bring sand, cement, and aggregates to the location and start making blocks right away. These bricks work well for garages, fences, warehouses, and even homes. The biggest customers tend to be private builders, construction crews, and farmers who want to save money on materials. It's a simple, efficient way to cut costs and boost productivity. Homemade sausages are completely natural and free from all the artificial additives you usually find in store-bought ones. You can make traditional farm-style sausages or get creative with flavors like pine nuts, wine, garlic, or even truffles. And if you add smoking to the process, the value and the price goes even higher. Delicious, premium, and perfect for customers who want real quality. A marriage proposal is one of those moments people remember forever, so the way the ring is presented really matters. Regular ring boxes are pretty standard, but a custom-made case with a unique opening mechanism can make the moment feel truly magical. It could be a slim, pocket-friendly case, a flower-shaped design, or even the dramatic jewelry box style that opens in a special way. It's all about adding that extra touch to make the proposal unforgettable. Laser tattoo removal is in high demand because many people eventually regret a tattoo they got years ago. The good news is that getting started doesn't require a huge investment. A compact laser machine can cost around $300, while each removal session can bring in anywhere from $50 to $200. You can even begin as a mobile service by visiting clients at home, or keep it simple by renting a small studio. A low-cost setup with high earning potential. Custom phone cases are always in demand. With a case printer, you can print photos, logos, or artwork directly onto phone covers. Just create an Instagram page, start taking orders, and grow your brand. You can get started for under $500, and as more people notice your work, your profits grow too. Okashigaka desserts from Japan look like tiny pieces of art served inside clear cans. They're made with layers of sponge cake, cream, fruits, and toppings, arranged so beautifully that people want to take a photo before eating. All you need are cans, a can sealing machine, and dessert ingredients. They're easy to transport, store in the fridge, and even sell through chilled vending machines. An engraver is basically a small drill that can transform everyday items into personalized gifts. You can engrave cutting boards, pens, wooden clocks, or anything else with names, family crests, or custom designs. The tool is inexpensive, and the demand for personalized gifts is always huge. Sneaker and luxury shoe cleaning is a booming industry. All you need is a steam cleaner, a few good brushes, and leather care products to get started. You can also sell complete shoe care kits like creams, brushes, and protective sprays to boost your income. Costume jewelry tends to fade, but once you coat it with gold, silver, or rhodium, it suddenly looks high-end and premium. You can restore customers' old pieces or sell your own pre-plated items. It's a simple service with great profit potential. Table tennis isn't just for fun, it's a sport that requires real training. A smart ping pong table with an automatic ball feeder and adjustable speeds is perfect for schools, sports clubs, and training centers. Players can practice solo and customize the speed and trajectory to improve their skills. Sandblasting is an excellent way to clean metal, but the usual process makes a mess. A closed sandblasting system solves that problem by keeping all dust inside a sealed chamber. It's ideal for restoring old coins, locks, keys, and vintage car parts. Collectors and antique shops love this kind of service. Edible printing lets you decorate coffee, cookies, cakes, even fruit. Instead of using a big automated machine, this method is done by hand with food-safe ink markers and special stamps. You can sell custom cupcakes with fun designs or offer on-the-spot food decoration at events. Mobile hair removal is a fast, convenient service for both men and women who prefer privacy. You can work from a salon or visit clients at their homes. As long as you have good equipment and smart marketing, you can build a strong customer base. A coating machine lets you cover nuts, dried fruit, or candies with chocolate, caramel, or yogurt glaze. The process is simple, just load the ingredients into the rotating drum and they get evenly coated. These treats are always popular, especially if you offer unique flavors like dark chocolate with sea salt, caramelized orange peels, or pistachios in white chocolate. Bath bombs are a favorite self-care treat. They make bath time relaxing and good for your skin. They're made with sea salt, essential oils, and natural colorants. The process is super simple and inexpensive. Mix the ingredients, press them into shapes, and let them dry. You can play around with scents, colors, dried flowers, or even a touch of glitter to make them unique. Dust, dirt, and allergens build up easily in carpets, sofas, and even mattresses. A water vacuum cleaner gives a deep clean by trapping dirt in water instead of blowing dust back into the air. But the real business advantage is offering mobile service. Most people don't want to haul their carpets to a shop. It's much easier when you come to their home or office and clean everything on the spot. A vinyl cutter lets you create stylish stickers and decorative patterns for shop windows, offices, cafes, and restaurants. It's a budget-friendly alternative to painted murals or printed signage, and it allows businesses to change their promotions, seasonal themes, or branding quickly. Many cafes and stores order custom menu boards, window graphics, and interior decor pieces. Fresh flowers fade fast, but stabilized flowers stay beautiful for years. They look just like fresh blooms but don't need water or any special care. They're popular for gift boxes, wedding bouquets, and home decor. It's a great business niche because these arrangements are highly valued and the demand is steadily increasing. Mushroom farming is a low-cost business that offers stable, reliable income. Mushrooms grow fast, require little space, and aren't affected by weather or seasons. As long as you keep the right humidity and temperature, you can start harvesting in just 3 to 4 weeks. You can sell them to restaurants, supermarkets, local markets, or even offer DIY mushroom growing kits. 26. You don't have to paint with colors, you can paint with fire. Pyrography is the art of burning designs into wood, creating stylish, premium-looking artwork. All you need is a wood-burning tool, which works like a soldering iron but produces sharp lines and shading. It's affordable to start, and you can sell your creations on marketplaces, social media, or through custom orders. Epoxy resin is perfect for making artworks with a deep, mesmerizing effect. Think ocean waves, starry skies, or marble textures. When the resin hardens, it forms a smooth, glass-like surface. Mixing pigments creates stunning patterns that can't be duplicated. You can use this technique to make wall art, mini paintings, or large decorative panels. With just wool, you can craft adorable, detailed figurines by felting. This technique uses special needles or water to compress the wool into solid shapes. Every piece is handmade, which makes each figurine one of a kind. Papercraft is all about building 3D models from paper or cardboard. Unlike origami, it uses flat templates that you fold and glue together to create full 3D shapes. These models work great as home decor, like geometric animal heads, and you can also turn them into fun educational kits for kids to improve their motor skills and spatial awareness. A laser engraver opens up a fun business idea. Laser burn an image onto a surface, then cut it into pieces to create a custom mosaic puzzle. You can even design puzzles with unusual shapes that become decorative art pieces on their own. Start by selling to friends, then expand to platforms like Etsy, eBay, or social media. With just wax, essential oils, and dried flowers, you can make beautiful aroma sachets in any shape you like. People use them in closets, cars, luggage, and office drawers to keep things smelling fresh. They cost almost nothing to make, but with nice packaging, they become a premium fragrance accessory. Real chocolate is a luxury product, especially when it's handmade. Using cocoa beans, cocoa butter, and natural ingredients, you can create high-end chocolate bars. Recently, Dubai-style chocolate has become popular for being pricier and more exclusive, which you can use as inspiration to build your own premium brand. Working parents are always looking for a safe and caring place for their children during the day. A daycare service is more than just supervision. It's a chance to engage kids with games, creativity, and activities. You can start small and expand later by hiring staff and increasing capacity. Basket weaving is an ultra-low-budget craft you can start for just $15, $20. All you need are jute vines, scissors, and some glue. There are plenty of tutorials online, and you can pick up the basics in a few hours. These baskets sell well on marketplaces, social media, in flower shops, and souvenir stores. Beautiful photos and videos of the weaving process help attract even more buyers. If you're good at math, languages, or any subject, tutoring is a great business to start. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and your knowledge. Begin with private lessons, then grow into group classes, online courses, or even hiring additional tutors. Lessons can be done on Zoom, Skype, or in person.